Okay, let's start updating this roof project. I'm going to get up here on the roof and give you an idea of how far I've gotten. I actually finished all the metal parts, all the sheets going in. We see a lot of rivets here. Close to about 800 rivets. I'm still waiting on the other vent to come in to install that, but I've got all the other vents are replaced. And the roof has been completely covered over with new aluminum. And now I just have to get the tape put over the rivets and the seams, and then I'm going to cover it with the roof sealant, and the roof will be done. So that's as far as I've gotten with that. And this is another view of the roof. See if I can make my way around here without falling off the roof. Oh boy, here we go. And here we go, looking from the front, looking from the back to the front. And that's going to be it.